Today we're going to make a vintage travel poster like this one. Okay, let's go. Go to the Canva homepage, press create, and let's see, can we find poster? There we go, A2. All right, A2, fine. We can always shrink it down to A4 where we want to print it. Okay, so now the kind of posters I was thinking of was the vintage travel poster. It's a bit like this one, where you've got quite a lot of detail, and they're usually photographs that have been posterized. In Photoshop, there is a setting where you can posterize a picture, and I was trying to recreate that in Canva. So we've got our poster. If you are new here, this is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing and any other things that they want to do. If you would like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, maybe get some feedback on the designs, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you would like to buy some Canva templates or some courses on how to use Canva, check out the shop. It's shop.fictiontutors.co.uk, and there's a whole lot of useful things there. Right, let's go. So first of all, we need a poster. So what I've done, I did a little bit of searching. This is a Canva Pro image that I've got here. It's supposed to be Whitby. Right, let's fill it up. There we go. That's quite a nice picture. Right, now we need an app called Vectorizer. Vectorizer. There we go. You have a certain number of credits that you can use, and apparently I have 40 free credits, and then I'd have to buy some more. Right, so that's my image. So select image, so I'm selecting the image, and if you go to advanced settings, you have this thing called color smoothing, and what we're going to do, so if we leave it at 10%, it'll turn this picture into a vector, and it will more or less maintain the colors in here. But what we want is we want to take color smoothing up to about, say, 66. Yeah, let's go for 60%. And let's go start tracer. Okay, add to design. Let's add another page and drag that down here and have a look. What it should have done is should have posterized it a little bit so that it looks like one of those vintage posters. There we go. Now all we have to do is get some text underneath. Whitby. And find the right font, which is, let's try Railway. There we go. And there you have it. Sort of vintage travel poster using the Vectorize app. I've currently got a series of books set in a heritage steam railway, so this sort of thing would be a really nice way to advertise it, which is why I've been playing with it. So this is an image I found in Deposit Photos, which I vectorized, and I think it's lovely. I'm very excited about this, and I will be playing with it. Will you? If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.